everyone, my name is Adil Sharma. I am from class 1st B. Today I am going without fire cooking chocolate laddu. These are ingredients we use in chocolate laddu. So I will tell you about all the ingredients we use making chocolate laddu. Parle biscuits, jams, sprinkles, small sprinkles, 2 small packet Hershey chocolate syrup, and sesame seeds, and condensed milk. So let's start making our dish. First we have to make powder of these Parle biscuit. Put all the biscuit powder in a bowl. Second, we put Hershey syrup in that Parle powder. Now we mix it properly. Finally, the laddu dough is ready. Let's start making chocolate laddu. Put some jams, sprinkles, sesame seeds on the laddu, make it tasty. how beautiful these laddus are. I can't wait to eat. Beautiful. So yummy and tasty. If you want to eat, make your own laddus. You got the recipe today from me in that video. Thank you for watching. Bye. So how is it? So yummy and tasty. Wow, yummy and tasty laddus. Don't forget to like,